Hello everyone, BEP Drawing Easy for Kids. We are going to draw a cute puppy dog. At first I draw his eyes. I draw his nose and his mouth. I love drawing and painting animals. Please try to draw this puppy dog with me. I draw his face. I draw his ears. Look, puppy dog is watching the drawing. And I'm drawing his body and legs. Dogs are very loyal and friendly animals. Dogs are my favorite animals. Do you love dogs too? I draw his tail. I draw his colors. And then, of course, let's give him a little heart. Now let's draw a food container. And I'm drawing a doghouse. Puppy dog live in this doghouse.
You guard my dreams while I'm asleep. A furry friend I'll always keep. So let's go play, let's have some fun. The greatest adventures have just begun.
I draw a bone here. I draw the sun. I draw a flower. Good job, my friends. Black color. Pink. Light orange.
My playful pup fills my heart with light. A happy bark, a wagging tail. Together we explore each hill and trail. Oh, my dog, my loyal friend.
Look, how cute is this puppy?
The joy will never end. We'll chase squirrels, we'll catch a breeze. The best of pals beneath the trees. Oh, my dog, my loyal friend. With you the joy will never end. We'll chase squirrels, we'll catch a breeze. The best of pals beneath the trees.
Light pink.
Your sloppy kisses make me laugh. We'll share a treat and take a bath. With
Blue.
zoomies fast and puppy jumps. You turn my frowns into
Yellow.
happy bumps. Oh, my dog, my loyal friend. With you the joy will never
Teal color.
end. We'll chill these spells, we'll catch a breeze.
Spring green color. Red. Yellow. Red. Yellow.
With you the joy will never end. We'll chase squirrels where to freeze. The best of pals beneath the trees.
Spring green color.
We'll sing and dance. Together we'll take a chance to run and jump.
Dogs are very loyal animals.
My best friend, my happy cow.
Pink.
A happy bark, a wagging tail. Together
Yellow.
we explore each hill
Purple.
and trail and trail. Oh, my dog, my loyal friend.
Green.
With you, the joy will never end. We'll chase squirrels, we'll catch a breeze. The best of pals beneath the trees.
Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.